Who in thinks I'm a fool? Astro Boy, me know say you that damn crook. He did a fly straight, then missing using two of them and change direction in a split second.
That's cap.
I swear. So he forcefully I use 100% in ignition ability rather than the typical 30%.
Yup.
When the Ross me a do, yeah. Shinra, what kind of smile that a me antagonist are you? One kick where I travel at the speed of light ever landing on your chest?
Hell no.
You don't feel good. You didn't know say you have blue flames too?
No.
Did he that? All me I say is if Mary go through Parthenogenesis and have Jesus, and Shinra mother go through the same thing, that simply means that Shinra have Jesus too.
Wait, you might be onto something.
Him say, rabbit, click, and turn Corey in a pile of ashes.
Damn.
Corey, me sorry. Just when me think if I can't get no worse, his little brother pull up on the block with the memories intact. Are you that or me?
He ain't that bad.
What?
Hey, what you...
He can recreate and reshape the universe with him blood clot imagination, yeah.